Ameca is an incredible example of advanced AI and robotics. These robots can now perceive and interact with the world around them, which is a huge step forward in technology. As a result, they're gradually taking over some jobs that were traditionally done by humans. This combination of robotic strength and smart AI is generating a lot of money, but it also means that many people are losing their jobs. Ameca looks so realistic that people often mistake it for a real dolphin, but it's actually a special robot designed to help dolphins in marine parks. These parks raise a lot of money for conservation, so shutting them down is not an option. The new version of Ameca, capable of functioning on its own, has the potential to entertain audiences and take the place of live dolphins. Robots are also helping to clean up our oceans by sorting and recycling plastic materials. They can efficiently pick up different types of plastic and put them in the right bins. In the food industry, robots are starting to be used for moving and manufacturing tasks. They're being integrated into warehouses, starting with the back rooms. Once they're considered safe enough, they will work alongside human workers. These robots can work tirelessly without breaks, which makes them tough competition for human employees, especially in companies like Amazon. Amazon workers were found to be twice as likely to get seriously injured compared to workers in their companies. The reason robots haven't taken over completely is that humans are so good at quickly recognizing and organizing products, a skill that robots are still learning. However, robots are improving fast in this area. For example, there's a robot called Digit that uses advanced sensors to perceive its surroundings and is becoming more skilled at handling subjects and objects. Robots are getting better at moving like humans and getting smarter through AI systems like Ameca, which continuously learn and improve. Simulations are a big part of how robots learn new skills. Through simulations, robots have also become quite dexterous, even solving Rubik's Cubes. They gain thousands of years worth of experience in these simulated environments, which helps them excel at challenging tasks. The ability of AI to adapt to new situations is considered a sign of intelligence. Robots have achieved impressive feats, like solving large cubes or mastering table tennis, in a short time. Some AI systems have even surprised their creators by learning new skills, like a spider robot that figured out how to move without touching the ground. AI progress is equipping robots with amazing capabilities, like bird-like machines for delivering medical supplies in difficult terrains. Tesla, a leading AI company, is developing advanced AI for their cars and a synthetic animal-like robot called a Tesla bot. This robot will move, sense its surroundings, and act autonomously with the help of neural networks processing visual information. AI is like a clever mind that can understand and figure out important things about its surroundings. Companies like Tesla, known for their cutting-edge technology, use a fascinating technique called simulation to teach their AI systems. According to simulation theory, as these simulated worlds become more advanced, they could become so realistic that it's hard to tell them apart from the real world. Imagine multiple simulations running, and the line between what's real and what's not become blurry, making the characters in these simulations seem eerily lifelike. These advancements in AI and simulated environments lead to deep questions about the choices we make and the worlds we create. The past 35 years have witnessed incredible changes in technology, constantly shifting from one state to another. Looking to the future opens up endless possibilities. As fictional worlds become as authentic as our own, it becomes increasingly difficult to determine what is true and what is not. Tesla's groundbreaking project called the Matrix is a great example of their commitment to innovation. Their new powerful chip outperforms most regular computers. Not satisfied with the current state, Tesla is already pushing boundaries further by working on a computer with 3,000 chips integrated. This will speed up the training of their AI systems even more efficiently. These advanced robots have the potential to automate dangerous repetitive jobs, making their tasks safer and more efficient in the future. The United States currently has around 1 million jobs in warehouses, and there are many jobs in different industries. Elon Musk openly acknowledges that automation, which involves using robots to do tasks, could have a big impact on jobs. He wonders what will happen in the future when robots take over more jobs, leaving lots of people without work. Elon Musk's company is creating humanoid robots, which look like humans with a screen as a face. These robots are the same technology as self-driving cars and have special cameras to see better. They learn to do things by practicing in a supercomputer. Musk believes that these robots will make a lot of money. This could have a big effect on the economy because the economy relies on people working. This raises a question. When technology reduces the need for human workers, is there a limit to how much the economy can grow? Because of the rise of robot workers, Elon Musk has become the richest person in the world, and some people even think he might become the first person with $1 trillion. In the US, many people struggle to afford housing, and 500,000 people are homeless. One senator, Karen, has criticized Musk, saying he doesn't pay his fair share of taxes and benefits too much from the government. Musk responds by saying that he is actually paying an enormous amount of taxes this year, and the senator herself benefits from taxpayer money, but she doesn't contribute too much in taxes. No matter how you look at the situation, it's clear that the gap between rich and poor is getting bigger. Billionaires like Musk introducing humanoid robots to the workforce could make this gap even wider. Apart from affecting economic growth, the decision to spend money on luxury items like super yachts instead of investing in workers can have harmful effects. But there might be a solution to this problem that could benefit society as a whole. Before we explore that, let's talk about personal robots and their potential as wonderful companions. Personal robots have the amazing ability to develop their own personalities over time. Think of them as special friends, similar to the beloved characters R2-D2 and 3PO from Star Wars. Looking at the bigger picture, humanoid robots can help with an unexpected global issue, the decreasing birth rate. Over the years, birth rates have been going down, raising concerns about a potential decline in the world's population in the future. This decline is predictable because it takes about 20 years of our new generation of humans to grow up. The declining population poses significant challenges, as there might be not enough young people to support the aging population in the workforce. In countries like Japan, this issue is already being felt, and some people are turning to AI and robots for companionship, which could be a sign of social isolation. However, these AI conversations are becoming more advanced, thanks to language models like GPT-3, which have learned to communicate by analyzing a vast amount of online text. When discussing the difference between organic and artificial, it's interesting to note that even artificial things have their origins in organic processes. Although modern production involves automation and programming, it all starts with human creativity and craftsmanship, which used to be the main means of creation in the past. Nowadays, machines and AI have expanded our capabilities to create incredible things. Initially seen as risky because of the potential for generating fake news, AI like GPT-3 is now a focus of thousands of developers working to improve its capabilities. The human face has 42 muscles, and when robots can copy these facial expressions, artificial intelligence can make them show all kinds of emotions. Some robots, like the dancing robots from Boston Dynamics and the robot dog at Sydney Zoo, get much attention. There are two types of robots leading this revolution. Atlas is impressive and can do pre-programmed movements, but it has limitations and can only do specific things. On the other hand, Tesla's multifunctional robot is a big step forward. These new robots will be a part of a huge AI network, where each individual robot becomes less important. This AI network could become very hard to stop or shut down, raising concerns if it goes against humanity's interests, kind of like Terminator. To support people affected by these changes, some experts suggest implementing a universal basic income. Studies show that UBI doesn't discourage people from working. Instead, it allows them to focus on education and health. The robot revolution is not just about cool robots and technology, but it's also about the powerful impact of AI on society. If you're interested in staying updated on these topics, subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comments section.